Greetings and assalamu alaikum everyone. Hope you all are doing great. So last video I have shown you the demo of how you can create a private Linux server and then access it with the help of Bastion Host. And then in private Linux server I have already installed the Nginx web server in the last video. Okay. So in the last two videos, in the previous video, I have already shown you the demo of how you can create a Windows public server as a Bastion host, and then we will be creating another Windows server which will be private, and then we will be running the IIS web server inside the private server. Okay, so right now today's video, which I am going to focus on the same hierarchy. As you can see, the only change is the this in the private subnet is the we will be having another new Linux server, and then we will be installing the Apache web server. Okay, so the entire process or this procedure will be same except installing the Apache web server, and for demo purpose I will be using the HTTP of Amazon Linux AMI as an operating system. Okay, so let's jump into my AWS account and then I will show you the demo. Okay, so I have given the name, and this time I'm going to with the option of Amazon Linux, and instance type will be same just like the last one, which is T2 micro, and I will create a new key pair which will be Apache key pair KP, and then create key pair. The rest of these steps will be same, just like in network setting. I will be selecting my own custom VPC. The subnet will be private and the auto assign IP will be disabled, and I will create a new security group for Apache web server, and then I will just create a description. This is for security group of Apache web server. Okay, so I am giving another security group rule which will be port 80, so that we can access the port 80. Okay, so let's just give it a name. Let's just give it a name and then launch the instance. So let's just launch the instance. Okay, let's just give it a name, source IP, and then launch. Okay, so as you can see that Apache HTTP web server is in running state. So for that, let's just copy the key pair that I have created. Copy and then paste it in the Bastion host web server. Okay. So as you can see that Apache key pair .pem file is here right now in the Bastion host, and let's just try to access it. But first, let me just get the private IP, which is 1.199 in this case, and then connect it with the help of this command. Okay, so going back to my Bastion host, creating a new session in MobileXM, ls cd desktop, and then let's just paste it here. Okay, so as you can see that Amazon Linux 2023. Okay, so it means that we are inside the private Linux server. Okay, first let's just change the name of this web server. We will giving as Apache web server, and in the meantime I am parallel updating this server to the yum update. Okay, so let's see how much time will it take to update the dependencies. Okay, I am inside the Apache web server again, a private Linux server. So let's just install Apache. Okay. So in this case, when you use the Ubuntu or Debian-based operating system, so the package name will be Apache 2. So, and in this case, I'm using Amazon Linux or Red Hat. So we will be using the HTTPD and Apache 2 both are same. Okay. So as you can see that it is installing the Apache web server, and let's just see the service. Okay, let's just start the service and enable it. Okay, so let's just again check the status. As you can see that it is running. Okay, so let's just open my browser and add this IP 199. So as you can see that it is showing the it works. Okay. One more thing I would like to add is that I have my own uh, website. Basically, I have created the HTML website. So I will just deploy this in this server. Okay. So let's just open my notepad. So this is the Apache, this is the basically HTML file content. And I am going back to my uh, Bastion host. And let's just find out its default file where we can make changes. Okay, so I'm in the default part where the it works content is showing. So let's just create a new file called index.html and paste the content right here. Just wait a minute. Okay, so I have pasted my some website content and Control X, Y, index.html. Okay, so after making changes, let's just restart the service. Sudo service http restart. So let's just see if the changes have been made or not. There you go. I have deployed the simple static website, and this is my introduction, and this is my YouTube channel, and yeah, that's it. That's the demo of how you can create an Apache web server inside and install Apache as a web server inside a private Linux server. Okay, so let's just go back to the AWS console and delete the all servers. Okay, so let's just select all these servers and then terminate it. Okay, so that you don't get much billing for your cloud resources. Okay, so this is the entire demo, and thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next video inshallah. So take care and goodbye.